Equation of a straight line part 5. So by the end of this lesson we should be able to identify the equation of a straight line that doesn't pass through the origin, where c does not equal to 0. So example 1. State the equation of the straight line, and we are given the graph of the straight line and we are to state the equation. So we know that it's going to have the form of y equals mx plus c. First thing we're going to do is figure out what c is. From the chart we're going to locate the y-intercept, which is here, and we're going to mark that point, and we see that that is equal to -4, so in this case c is equal to -4. Now we're going to pick 2 points. Well, the first point we've already picked. It's this one, and that's going to have the coordinates 0, -4. The second point we can pick a suitable point. I would pick this one here between the intersection of the grids, and so this point would be 1, -2. And now we can use these because we've got x1, y1, x2, y2, so we can put these into our formula for the gradient. Now we calculate the gradient. So we've got -2 minus -4. This turns into positive. 2 minuses make a positive. So -2 plus 4 is 2. x2 minus x1, well, that's going to be 1 take away 0, which is just 1. So the gradient m is equal to 2 over 1, which is 2. Now we've got everything we need. We've got m and we've got c. So we can transfer these into the equation. So y equals 2x plus, well, it's -4. So y equals 2x minus 4. Example 2. Now we have a different line that we have to figure the equation out for. First of all, what is c? From the chart we look at the y-intercept, which is here. We mark that and we see that c is equal to 3. So c is 3. Pick 2 points. First point is already picked, and we know that this is going to have 0, 3. Second point, I would pick this here. This seems like a suitable point, so I will mark this here, and this has the coordinates 4, 4. So now we have x1, y1, x2, y2, so we can transfer these into the equation. So 4 minus 3 over 4 minus 0, so that becomes 1 over 4. So m is equal to 1/4. And putting it into the equation, we get y equals 1/4 x plus 3. In this third example, we are given a chart with no grid, but we are given 2 sets of coordinates. We're given coordinates points 1 and coordinate points 2. So we can take this for the equation here. We can take c as being this. This gives us the coordinates for the y-intercept. So in this case, what will c be? Well, c here is 5.6. Now we pick the 2 points that are already given to us. So this will be point 1 and this will be point 2. And we can substitute these into the formula. And what we've got is -5.6 over 11.2. What you'll notice is that we can actually simplify this without a calculator, because 5.6 is exactly half of 11.2, so this simplifies as m is equal to -1/2. And now we can substitute this into the y equals mx plus c formula, because we have m and we have c. So y equals to -1/2x plus 5.6.